Hello everyone, friends, family, newcomers, people who's watching this video. Hi everyone. I just want to say I really hate making tutorials because I don't have a good mic. I'm not really proficient in editing videos, so I do everything myself. And I almost always do it multiple times, and I'm always not very happy with the result, so I end up deleting it and not producing. So yeah, well, I'm gonna tell you everything again. Not again because you haven't heard it the first 3 times. I created a document 1920 by 1080. I created multiple layers, background shapes, multiply, overlay text. I start off by going to the background, picking the black, darker color, and making a background exactly the same size of my artboard. Alright, then I'll go to the shapes. My shape of choice will be 20 by 40 pixels. Well, the cool thing about redoing the same tutorial that I'm gonna experiment right now. Yeah, oh well. Anyway, you align it top, right, left. Zoom in to see it, obviously. And I'm going to -90, and I'm gonna shift the black a little more. So this part, I decided to make it, not to make it a rectangle, but to make it like a deformed egg or whatever you gonna call. And I'm gonna have a stroke. I'm gonna make it an inner stroke, and in the gradient settings I'm gonna make it to 90, so it will have this effect. Once you finalize your shape, just make sure you know the width and height of your shape, because this is really important. Go to Effect, Distort and Transform, and in the horizontal, you want to make copies of it. You want to make appropriate copies in the fastest, most simple way and the most accurate way. So I want, let's say, 49 copies, but I want the distance between them to be the width of the shape. So I made it 20 by 40. So in the horizontal, the effect or whatever, you're gonna type 40. That means you have 40. You have 20 distance between every and each copy. I said 49, 48. And you go out, you check it, perfect. You go back, you select your shape again. Effect, this time you're gonna see transform upstairs. Apply new effect. And it's 20 by 40, but in the vertical I want it all to be, the copies to be continuous. I'm gonna make 21. No, 21 was not as much. You go to the appearance panel. If you don't know where you can find the appearance panel, you have problems. You should know. And you make 27 copies. After you're done with these, you just pick up your shape, hold on Alter option, make a copy, place it wherever you want, and you have this beautiful, very accurate repetition of this interesting shape. So now I'm gonna create a rectangle 1920 by 1080. And I'm gonna align it properly. I'm gonna make a copy before I do anything. And I noted there's something. No, it is. Yeah, it is. It is perfectly aligned. Just make sure you have a fill and not a stroke. Select everything on the on your artboard by holding Command, Option, and Alt, and A, sorry, Alt or Option, and Command 7 to make a clipping mask. So you have your texture exactly to the size of your artboard. Well, if you want to stop here, you're good to go. But I do things differently. I go to the multiply layer, Command F to paste the rectangle I copied earlier exactly into place. I go to opacity, multiply, and around 77 is okay. Lock it, go to the overlay layer, Command F to paste it in place. This time I'm gonna go to the gradient panel. You're gonna choose a radial gradient, or this is what I like to do, and just play with your gradient till you get what you want. And then opacity, you've guessed it, of course, overlay. And now you can play more with your gradient. And you can also go dim the opacity around 94%. Did it happen? Yeah, 94%, maybe lower so you can see the difference. 90%. 90% gives you this faded, beautiful effect. Anyway, yeah, that's fine, I think. And then that's it. That's it, really. This is about it. You just can add text. You can add whatever you want. Now you have the carbon fiber background. Well, I hope you watched, because I really did this video around 3 or 4 times that I really have pain in my back and shoulders. Thank you. I hope I'll see you in the next time, if you don't hate me already.